The devil have the last laugh. Ain't no more beefing, I'm just keeping to myself. I'm my own competition, I'm competing with myself.
What is poppin', y'all? But yeah, I have not made a video in so long, and there's actually a reason why, and YouTube is taking forever to verify my channel. And I'm just, you know, chilling, waiting. But today I'm going to do a little makeup look or whatever. I'm probably gonna do like, I'm just gonna do it. Actually no, actually I'm just gonna do it and we're gonna see how that turns out. Okay, I can't get my lip gloss together, so we're just gonna have dry lips. So I'm gonna use this Hydro Boost by Neutrogena to moisturize my skin. Let's talk about the fact that people keep coming for my greasy ass face. People want to come for my face being greasy. Let me tell you, okay? I was a pop down broke YouTuber that could not afford a proper light. Now I have a proper light, that's why my face is not greasy. But at the time I did not have a proper light, so I was basically using some like LED light, and it was too much light, so it was just bringing out all the grease, and literally my face is never that greasy. But yeah, stop coming for me. Stop coming for me. So we're gonna use this little beauty supply pencil, this spoolie that I got from Shoppers Drug Mart, and my eyebrow brush that I got a whole set from, was it Vanity Planet? I think it was Vanity Planet. I got the whole set, and we're gonna do our brows. Okay, so now I'm just priming my eyes with some L.A. Pro Girl concealer, and then I'm going to set it with my Mercier setting powder. How would I do it like this? Every time I get a new subscriber, I'll film a video. I think that's a good plan. Okay, so I'm gonna go into my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm gonna go into Raw Sienna. I'm gonna put it all over my lid. I'm gonna use this blending brush. It's a big one from BH Cosmetics. I'm putting it all over my lid. I'm going in another BH Cosmetics brush, and it's going to be, I think it's another blending brush, but the smaller one. Oh, number 17. And the other one was number 16. And I'm gonna go into my BH Cosmetics palette. This is the Blush Neutrals 26 eyeshadow palette. And of course, everything will be linked down below. And I'm going to go into this shade. And put it on in my like crease. And then to darken the crease, I'm going to go in this chocolate brown color. It's not so chocolate right now, but it's chocolate. Put that straight in the crease. Go in this light color, and we're going to put it light color at the end, and we're going to put it at the top of our lid and just blend. And then we're going to grab, I used to use concealer to do cut creases, but I realized that foundations work better because they're runnier, so it just, you know, it's just better somehow. And I'm going to get my MAC, what brush is this? Honestly, this brush does not, oh, MAC 2.212, I don't know, 2 something brush, flat brush. And I'm going to use that to carve out my crease, and then I'm going to use the L.A. Girl Pro Coverage Foundation to carve out my crease. Top of that, I'm gonna get this flat brush that I use whenever it's like a regular like flat brush, and I just use it whenever I'm using shimmery shades. I spray it, and then today I'm gonna put this sparkling orange. I think this is supposed to be a blush, but I'm gonna put this sparkling orange all over where I cut the crease. Maybe it's a red, I don't know. And then on top of that, I'm going to take Primavera in my Monday Renaissance palette and put that on top, just so that the color pops more. I think I'm making it pop too much. Now it makes this rose gold color beautiful. Okay. And then we're gonna get back that little blending brush that we had, if I can find it. And we're gonna go into this peach color. I think this is a blush, I don't know. This peach color back in my other palette. And I'm gonna put it on the outside of my eye and just blend it in. After we finish with our liner, sis, we just do some mascara, then pop on some lashes. Now we moving on to the face. I'm gonna start with the L.A. Pro concealer again, and I just wipe some on my face. A little bit. I don't need too much foundation because I kind of already have, like, I'm not, you know what I mean? Like, I'm not hiding anything. So, like, I don't like to put too much coverage. And that foundation is just not my color. So, if I find it. So I'm gonna mix it with this. This is Black Radiance foundation. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of this. Just, you know, this will just get my exact color. I'm gonna use this flat brush and blend that out. Oh, and something weird, I don't put any product at all on my forehead because I do frontals and like I don't like makeup all over my frontal. Plus my forehead is literally clear, so I don't even need foundation there. I don't know if that's a tip or what, but it's just what I do. So don't be like, girl, you missed your whole forehead. I did it on purpose. Now I'm gonna go all up on my face with L.A. Pro Girl Concealer. I'm gonna use Fawn. And I'm gonna put it on all the places that I wanna highlight. I'm gonna go on top of that, just like in the corner of my eye on my nose. I'm gonna use Warm Honey because it is a lighter color. And then to contour, I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics palette. BH Cosmetics Highlight and Contour palette. Love this palette. It literally has so many shades that work with me. And today I'm gonna go in with this one and this one. These two colors, you already know I like kind of already finished that one. But I'm gonna use that to contour. And I'm also going to contour my nose with this same color. Now I'm gonna blend that out with this beauty sponge. I didn't wet this previously. Give me 1 second. And I'm gonna just isolate them. They're so smooth. We're just gonna blend that. Can you guys tell that there's no product on my forehead or no? Comment down below and let me know if you can tell, because like I want to know if I be looking crazy. I don't think I'd be looking crazy, but like you guys will tell me. You guys will tell me anything. I'm gonna go back and contour again, just to warm up my face a little bit because I don't think it's warm enough. And then we're going to set that with my Mercier powder. Mine's almost done. Literally. And while that is setting, I'll just go back in again with the contouring, literally. It don't stop. And then I brush that powder with any fluffy brush. And then I start working on my bottom eyes. And today we are going to get this, and we're gonna get this the lightest shade in the palette right here, and we're gonna put it on our bottom waterline. And then I'm gonna straighten out these bottom lashes like a little cat. Let me show. And now I'm gonna go in my tear ducts and I'm gonna put Primavera again. And then I'm gonna spray my face with some Fix Plus. I have the rose color. To finish this look, I'm gonna use this Victoria's Secret lip gloss thing, and this is in Tease. I'm gonna use my MAC lipstick. This is in Naturally Transformed. I feel like this lip is too light. Outline it and see what it looks like get darker. Okay. I'm gonna highlight with my MAC highlighter in Gold Deposit.